Consists of the kidneys, the connecting arteries and veins, and the urinary tract. The kidneys are paired, bean-shaped organs lying outside the peritoneal cavity in the back of the upper abdomen, one on each side of the vertebral column. The kidneys function as the body's main excretory organs, eliminating the body's metabolic waste products by filtering the blood. Substances that are unneeded or are present in excess are filtered out of the blood and form into urine, moving via the ureter into the bladder before being expelled through the urethra. The kidneys also selectively
One of the primary functions of the kidney is better understood at the level of the nephron. In forming urine, the nephron functions to remove metabolic wastes from blood while regulating the volume and composition of body fluids. Urine formation begins in the renal corpuscle, where blood passing through the glomerulus is filtered. Filtrates include water, ions, and other solutes, which are filtered out of the blood and into the capsular space to begin urine formation.
The plasma ultrafiltration is produced, thus regulating the electrolyte and water corporal composition, and proteins metabolism. Waste products elimination is achieved. Renal tubules have two basic functions: reabsorption by means of substance transport from the tubule to the blood and excretion, substance transport from the blood.
Kidneys filter blood and make urine. Blood passes into the kidney through the renal artery and returns through the renal vein. Once inside each kidney, the blood passes into capillaries and then into thousands of tiny structures called Bowman's capsule. Here filtering begins. The blood is under high pressure. Water, the waste molecule urea, and other small molecules pass out of the capillaries and into a kidney tube, called a nephron. Now the liquid is processed. The coiled part of the nephron makes sure that glucose doesn't escape into the urine, and the loop of Henle makes the urine concentrated, so that water is conserved. There are thousands of nephrons, each making urine. The liquid drains into the central part of the kidney and then flows down the ureter.
Of 3 layers of capillary wall: the endothelium, the basement membrane, and the epithelium. This membrane allows some particles from the blood to pass through, but not all. The fluid that is filtered from the capillary blood into the Bowman's space is called filtrate and forms the primary urine.